No doubt we've all had the experience of having a difficult time cleaning our gas range after cooking a large meal. Hard to remove grime and lingering smells may take a toll on you if you're using an ordinary convection oven. This product will put an end to those cleaning woes. It has an EasyClean feature that provides the simplest, quickest way to clean the oven. You no longer have to scrub crust or residue off, as it conveniently cleans up in as fast as 10 minutes. All you need to do is spray the interior oven with water and press the EasyClean button. LG ranges are perfectly built for baking, and that includes this model. Inspired by the Pro Style series, the Pro Bake Convention Oven provides evenly baked goods in every rack. With 3.6 cubic feet in capacity, it can handle more than a 24-pound turkey, spacious enough for larger pots, pans, skillets, or baking trays. It also bakes 20% faster compared to regular ovens, helping you prepare food in a shorter amount of time. Aside from serving you perfectly baked goods, the Pro Bake Convection Oven has a lot more to offer. It's a brilliant blue interior that upgrades the usual look of an oven. And of course, there's the oversized window where you can easily view and monitor the progress of your meal. Going on the top part of this gas range is the 6 LG 17,000 BTU Super Boil burners. These high heat burners bring water and other liquids to boil without even noticing. If you think that's all, allow us to tell you that LG surely made this product extra special, because it comes with intuitive smooth touch glass that helps you control the range with just one touch of your finger. Cleaning the smooth touch glass is as easy as it is to operate. Simply wipe the surface with a clean cloth and then it's good for another round. The angled controls of this slide-in gas range are also a plus. Sleek and stylish, these angled controls will leave the power in your hand, from adjusting the heat to turning off the burner. All of these features carefully designed by LG to make your life easier.